So guys, a very happy 2022 to you all. I hope you had a wonderful break and the year is starting off to a fantastic start for you. I think it's important to start this year off on the right foot, and we do approximately 25-30 new consultations for surgery every single week. I think time is the greatest commodity anybody has in life, more than money or anything else, because we're not going to get it back. So having said that, I wanted to make a video about some reasons why you shouldn't come for a consultation. And hopefully that will save you time if you're coming here for the wrong reasons. So one of the first reasons you shouldn't come for a consultation is if you feel that there may be a medical reason for your hair loss. I think everybody who's considering a hair transplant should go and see their GP just to make sure there's no underlying medical conditions. Most causes of hair loss that require hair transplants, not all, but most of them typically are due to androgenic alopecia, and this isn't really a medical disease, it's a condition like having blue or green eyes. So you're probably wondering, how do I know if this is not a medical condition? Well, go and see your GP. It's covered by healthcare. Maybe your GP will send you for some blood tests. They'll point you in the right direction. Once you've had that, and if you still feel you'd like to address the hair loss with a hair transplant, absolutely, that's a good reason to come. Secondly, please don't come for a hair consultation or a hair loss consultation if you wish for your medications to be optimized, or if you want us to prescribe medications. It's very important in life to choose one thing and to do it very, very well, and to also identify how much time we have to manage other conditions. Our main business is surgery, and we operate 2 or 3 times a week. Unfortunately, we don't have time to manage patients medically. We have wonderful colleagues in the community within medical dermatology, which we can recommend patients to go to, but this should be done via your GP. The third reason why you shouldn't come for a consultation here is if you are a patient who is a shopper. I always tell patients, when you come and see us, my job is not to convince you to have surgery or to not have surgery. The consultation is really an opportunity for you to get to know me, and also for myself to get to know you. We both have to be a match. This is not a condition which requires urgent medical attention. Patients are not sick, it's an elective procedure. So having said that, it's important that you choose the surgeon and physician who meets your criteria. And equally, I have also a list of patients that I feel are a good fit for this surgery. And some patients, they're just not a good fit, either for medical reasons or for personality or psychological reasons. And after having done this for over a decade now, I think it's very important just to be very honest and say, we're not going to be a match, and therefore let's not continue. The fourth reason why you shouldn't come here for a consultation is if you feel you are unable to accept risks for procedures or medications. In life, everything, whether it's walking outside your house or driving a car, carries risks. These may be very, very low risks, but they're risks. And statistically, you can't take risks completely away. It doesn't matter if you're a singing and dancing Instagram surgeon who has 60 million followers. This is simply not true. Every surgery, every medication carries a certain proportion of risks. And it's important for me to explain these risks to you, go through them in a logical manner, in terms of numbers, something that you can understand. But if you're a person who wants a procedure or surgery and have 0 risks, this is not the place for you, because I believe in complete transparency, honesty. You want a surgeon who's responsible, who's going to be very honest with you, and equally, I only want to get myself involved in patients who I feel have a good understanding of what they're going to go through. They're responsible for their end of the bargain in terms of taking care of the aftercare and also understanding the risks that are involved in any type of surgical procedure. Don't come for a consultation if you're wanting a surgeon or a physician to jump up and down, please you, make you like them. I am who I am. I know who I am. I'm going to be polite with you. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to be very straight down the line with you. And equally, I need you to not come in here expecting, me to be somebody that I'm not. If you're looking for somebody who's going to hold your hand and counsel you with regards to your whole life story, I'm not the person for you. I'm a Londoner, I'm a straight shooter, I say it like it is. I'm empathetic, but also I'm brief. So please know all these things. Don't come here and then expect me to be something that I'm not. Number 6, in London, there's a very old saying, money is a devil. And it really, really is. Because obviously the services that we provide are not covered by healthcare whatsoever. I think sometimes with any commodity in the world, there's always an element of pricing and shopping around, and that's absolutely fine. But I don't think you should be coming for a consultation with me if you feel you'd like to haggle on price, ask for deals, bargains. We're not that type of clinic. To provide equity for patients, our prices are fixed, they're written down for you, you're provided with a quote. Everybody is afforded the same level of pricing, and we do not deviate from that. If you're coming in here to ask me about other cheaper options in Turkey or abroad, it's really not my expertise to comment on other people's surgery, other people's work. All I will say in life is you get what you pay for. And finally, number 7, one thing I really find it difficult to tolerate is colleague slandering. So for example, you come and see me and you're talking about, well, I had my procedure done X, Y, and Z with this surgeon or this physician, and I'm not happy, and I want to come to see you because you're the best. I really don't want to hear this. I find it very distasteful because in my experience, often these patients, they are serial shoppers. As soon as you fall out of vogue, they'll be on to the next surgeon. And in life, with anything, life is a marathon. Relationships are hard work. You have to work from both sides. And some people just start and stop, start and stop, start and stop. And to get results, you have to stick together with a surgeon, have a good relationship, unless it's absolutely diabolical. So I hope this video is of great use to each and every one of you. We've been through a multitude of reasons why not to come here for a hair transplant consultation. I hope I've saved some of you the trouble in having to book with us, your time, your money, and equally, I hope you will save us some time in terms of having clearer expectations of what to expect and what not to expect when you come to see us. I wish each and every one of you happy 2022, and most importantly, let's make more precious use of our time. Thank you.